the second helicopter coming into land. Now that has remarkably managed to land upright, and considering the damage that was done to the front left-hand section of that helicopter where the pilot was sitting, that's been a remarkable achievement. So whilst it has been very tragic that 4 people have lost their lives and many families are mourning this morning, we could have had a far worse situation here, and the fact that that one helicopter has managed to land has been quite remarkable.
Big guy with a big heart, would have done anything for anyone. He was just a true gentleman. I spent quite a fair bit of time with that in the helicopters, so his professionalism, he was just on point with everything. So that's why just a bit very hard to understand what happened yesterday when I've seen him do so many miraculous things in a chopper, and how structured he was and the way he worked.